T-Dog Nation, I am back, and the time has finally come. It is time for the second monster truck, King of the Hill. All 32 trucks have made their way to the King of the Hill to see who can take on your current, reigning, defending, undisputed King of the Hill, Recreational. So without further ado, let's get the Monster Truck King of the Hill 2 kicked off. And before we actually race, guys, I am also doing qualifying for this event, just as I did race wars. So without further ado, we have Bad News versus Bulldozer. Let's go. Race number 1. Oh, they're off. Good race. Bulldozer. 1. Oh, they're off. Good race. Bulldozer. Up next, we got King Crunch taking on Horsepower. Ready, set, let's go. Horsepower in the lead. He takes it. Go. Horsepower in the lead. He takes it. Now this will be a race right here. The Black and White Skeleton Crew versus Recreational version 2. Let's see who takes it. I think I know who's about to take this race. No surprise there. No surprise there. Race number 4, we have the Bigfoot Ride Vehicle versus Monster Mount Husky. That outside lane has won the past 3 races. Let's see if Husky can do it again, or will Bigfoot shut him down. And Husky! And Husky! Up next, we got Son of a Digger taking on Alien Invasion. Go. Son of a Digger, no question. Go. Son of a Digger, no question. And up next, we got the almighty Rainbow Volkswagen Beetle versus Thunder 4x4. Race number 5, let's go. Volkswagen Beetle takes it. Go. Volkswagen Beetle takes it. Now this is a race right here. We have a battle of the Hot Wheels race trucks. Hot Wheels Racing number 4 versus Hot Wheels Racing number 3. Hot Wheels Racing number 4. Hot Wheels Next up we have SpiderMan versus the V-Dub Drag Bus. Oh, Drag Bus is way in the lead. Wow. Oh, Drag Bus is way in the lead. Wow. We have a battle of the Spin Masters. The all-green Gravedigger versus Lumberjack. Let's go. Lumberjack in the lead. A Gravedigger takes it. Go. Lumberjack in the lead. A Gravedigger takes it. Next up we have Gangster versus El Toro Loco. El Toro Loco, oh nope, Gangster. El Toro Loco, oh no, Gangster. Next up, we got Overkill Evolution versus Townhaller. Go. Townhaller all the way. Go. Townhaller all the way. The White Mohawk Warrior versus the almighty Invader. Let's go. Invader, but Mohawk Warrior with the comeback. Go. Invader, but Mohawk Warrior with the comeback. Alright, the Red, White, and Blue Max D versus Pure Muscle. Pure Muscle all the way. Pure Muscle all the way. Alright, we have the gold Mohawk Warrior versus the Hot Wheels Pizza Bone Shaker. Bone Shaker. Bone Shaker. 4-hour second to last race for the qualifying rounds. We have the OG Bigfoot versus the Elemental Tires Earth Shaker. Here we go. Bigfoot in the lead, and he takes it, no problem. Here we go. Bigfoot in the lead, and he takes it, no problem. This is a race right here. Snakebite versus the former Race Wars King Skeleton Crew. Last race of the day, and it's gonna be Snakebite. Last race of the day, gonna be Snakebite. 32 trucks came to race, but only 16 have moved in to the next round. And now, part 2 is coming soon to see who will take on the current king. Alright, T-Dog Nation, I hope you guys enjoyed the Monster Truck King of the Hill 2 qualifying races. And coming next is part 2, the finals, to see who takes on the king. But my question to you guys is, do you think the king will stay on top, or will somebody else take him down? I hope you guys enjoyed. If you could please do me a favor, smash that like button, click that subscribe button, and ring that bell to never miss an upload. And also, I just created my second channel called T-Dog Gaming, and it looks like this right here. So if you could please do me a favor and go subscribe to that. It's my second channel where I will be playing mostly Minecraft, and I actually have a Minecraft survival series on there right now. So feel free to check that out. But with that being said, T-Dog is out of here.